Of quadratic expression. So when I give you an expression x square plus 7x plus 10, okay, this is the quadratic expression. We are going to factorize. To factorize this, there are many. Okay, there are so many methods. At your school also, you will study some other methods. I'll use the easiest among those. Okay, there are many methods. So in those methods, I'll explain by using the easiest method. First of all, you should multiply two n members. Okay, these two are called as n members. This is the initial and this is the last n. You should multiply. Okay, let's try that. Multiply two n members. N members. Okay, let's multiply them. When we multiply x star plus 10, that will become 10x star. Positive 10 x star. Positive 10 x star. Okay, now the factorization method. Okay, factorization method. That means, think about it. How can we express 10 as a multiplication of two different numbers? You should express 10 as a multiplication of two numbers. So that I can select 1 times 10. Okay, 1 times 10, it's 10. 1 times 10, it's 10. So when you get the sum of these two numbers, okay, when you select the common multiples, okay, multiples of the given n members, okay, first of all multiply members, and you should select suitable pair of multiplication for this to obtain this 10. 1 times 10, it's 10. 2 times 5, it's 10. 2 times 5, it's 10. These are the only two possibilities. So in these two, when you multiply 1 into 10, that will give you 10. Okay, that will easily give you 10. 2 times 5, that one also will give you 10. So among these two, which one we can select? Okay, that's the key thing over here. So to find that, there is a method. Yeah, these are the two pairs of multiplicants to obtain 10. When you get sum of these two numbers, okay, when you get sum of these two numbers, that will give you the middle member. Okay, here write that 10 plus 1, it's 11. Okay, the middle member is not 11. No. Middle member is not 11. So when we add 5 plus 2, that will give you 10. No. Sorry, that will give you 7. Multiplication of these two numbers will give you 10. Sum of these two numbers will give you 7. Sum of these two numbers will give you 7. Okay. Sum of sum of these two numbers equals to the middle member of our quadratic expression. It's really easy. Okay, when you look at the first question, it looks very difficult, but when we practice, it's really easy. Okay, now we found the suitable pair. First of all, let's multiply the two n members. That will give you positive 10 x square. Thereafter, we found you should write the possible pair of multiplicants to obtain 10. Okay, when we multiply 1x into 1x, that will give you 10x. Both should be positive directions. So when we add these two, that will give you 11. Our middle member is just 7. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. So next pair, that is 2 and 5. So 2 5s are 10 and 2 plus 5, it's 7. So now we found the possible pair. Then after, just write x sharp. Okay, write x sharp. So we are going to expand this 7x as 2x plus 5x. 2x plus 5x. And thereafter there is a 10. I'll repeat again. This extra that remains same. Extra remains same. This 7. The middle member was, according to our requirement, that is expressed as two separate members. Two separate members. Then this 10 also remains same. Remains same. Hereafter we know how to factorize this. From initial two members, you can select x as a common factor, then x plus 2, the factorization. Then from the remaining two members, let's select 5 as a common factor. So then x plus 2, that's the remaining. That's the remaining. Both brackets are holding same direction. So answer would be x plus 2 times x plus 5. X plus 2 times x plus 5. That's all for the factorization of quadratic expression. First multiplication of two n members, then select the suitable multiplication, and sum of those two will give you the middle member as well. Accordingly, let's select the suitable pair. Then the middle member can be expressed as the numbers which we selected from our calculation. Thereafter, just factorization. Now, y square plus 13y plus 12. Okay, let's factorize. First, let's multiply two n members. So, positive 12 into y could be y star is positive 12 y star. We multiply. First work done. Then you should select the possible multiplication pair. When you multiply those two numbers, that will give you 12. When we add those two numbers, that will give you 13. So 2 6. Okay, 2 times 6, it's 12. But 2 times 6, it's not 2 plus 6, that's not equal to 13. So this is incorrect. Then 3 times 4, 3 4s are 12, 3 plus 4 is 7. This one also wrong. Then 12 ones, okay, 12 ones, 12 ones are 12. Multiplication, 12 plus 1 is 13. So now we found the suitable pair, okay, possible pair. Positive, here also positive. Okay, positive multiplied with positive, it's positive. Here y, 12y and 1y. This is the separation we need to operate. Then y square remains same. This 13y, that's separated as positive 12y plus 1y plus 12. Okay, plus 12. So from these two, the common factor is y. Thereafter y plus 12. In next two, there is no any numbers or variables to factorize, so we can select just one. We don't have anything, we have one. So 1 y plus 12 divided by 1 is 12. Finally, y plus 12 into y plus 1. That's all for factorization of quadratic expression.